Namaste. Whether the advisory issued by the GSTN is binding on the proper officer or not. This is the question before the GSTN under RTI Act, Right to Information Act. The applicant is Sri Ram Bajaj. He questioned the GSTN on two counts. The first question is GSTN required approval from CBIC before issue any advisory? This is the first question. For this, the GSTN replied, as the issue pertains to IT process, design for filing process, the requirement of approval is not applicable. The issue started, GSTN has given some advice. There was a technical glitch in generation of GSTR 2B for the month of April 22, and GSTN issued advisory to taxpayer for filing of GSTR 3B return using GSTR 2A on self-assessment basis. This is the issue behind this RTI application. So first question is whether GSTN is required any prior approval from the CBIC. GSTN replied that there is no need to get the prior approval because it belongs to information technology, etc., etc. The next important question is advisory issued by GSTN is binding on the proper officer or not. This is very important. If yes, under which provision? For this, GSTN has given answer that advisory, as the name suggests, are suggestive in nature. So there is no binding effect on the proper officer. Any advice issued by the GSTN is only suggestive in nature, hence it is not binding on the proper officer. So finally, GSTN concluded advisory issued regarding April 22 3B for the filing of 3B return using 2A data on self-assessment assessment basis instead of GSTR 2B. The question regarding this is dated 15th May 22. GSTN issued advisory to avail ITC as per GSTR 2A, whereas Rule 36(4) say ITC to be availed only as per GSTR 2B. Then what is the validity of this advisory? Is proper officer is bound to follow this? And this is the question under the RTI Act, and advisory from the GSTN, answer from the GSTN to the applicant is, as there was a technical glitch in generation of GSTR 2B form for the month of April 22, GSTN issued advisory to taxpayer for filing of 3B return using 2A on self-assessment basis. This is very important, on self-assessment basis. Hence, it is not binding on the proper officer. This is dated 23/6/2022. Applicant is Ram Bajaj, replied by GSTN Rajiv Tripathi from the GSTN. He is a CPIO GSTN. Published in tax scan website. Kindly try to go through and frame your own opinion. This article is published in tax scan. Kindly go through and frame your own opinion. Namaste.